Your Facebook feed is probably blowing up with Polar Hair Dye Shampoo, promising you can dye your hair in 10 minutes with just a shampoo. No mixing, no gloves, no stains. Sounds like a dream, right? Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm exposing what's real versus marketing hype. They claim it's all natural, ammonia and peroxide free, instantly covers grays, and has a 4.8-star rating from over 1,400 reviews. The ads show flawless transformations and life-changing testimonials, but the closer you look, the more the shine fades. Multiple watchdogs have flagged fake reviews, stock-sounding comments on Trustpilot, and identical phrases across sites. So how does it actually perform? The results are inconsistent at best. Some people say it covers grays for a week or two, others say it's just tinted shampoo that rinses right out. One honest reviewer summed it up: fun to try, but the color didn't last long enough to enjoy. Shipping and refunds are another mess. Delays, lost packages, and silent customer service keep popping up. And the price? $30 to $40 for temporary color that fades quickly. You can get semi-permanent dyes for $10 that last weeks and actually cover grays. The all-natural exotic ingredients like reishi mushrooms aren't even dyes. They don't deposit pigment. This is just an overpriced, overhyped convenience product. Here's the savage verdict. Polar Hair Dye Shampoo is a hype play. Patchy results, delivery complaints, and fake-looking reviews tell you everything you need to know. If you want quick gray coverage, go for Root touch-up sprays, trusted semi-permanent dyes, or Salon-grade shampoos that actually work. And if you still want to try it, buy from a retailer with a solid return policy, not a website with suspiciously perfect reviews. If this helped you dodge a bad buy, hit like. I roast trending products, beauty, gadgets, supplements, every week. Now it's your turn. Am I spot on or way off? Drop your thoughts in the comments.